Welcome back to my channel, Zeth Plays!
That one first.
Okay.
What do we need to do first?
First, we need to get your bike. Take off the balancers. You can also buy it without balancers.
And
When you ride it, just make sure this. I'm gonna keep push it down, and then just go on and on and on and on. Now you can play. And me turn.
okay, Seth's turn. How about you, Zeth? How do you ride that scooter?
You can the feet is going there.
Okay.
And
What else?
You can like this.
Be careful.
See? Like
Go
that.
here.
You need to go there. No, I'm going there to sleep. Okay, you can follow us. Come on. Follow.
Okay. Where?
Here at the chairs.
Be careful, guys. Always be careful. I'll take a seat here, okay? What is that? Is that a guardhouse? Really?
I know about this. This is guardhouse because a guard is living there, so that's his house.
Really?
Yeah.
How sure are you?
Because we're in Flyers Road, and so this is
What's that?
it has two doors. Maybe it's a bathroom for girl.
Okay.
And there's a helmet with the jacket, and there's a window, chairs. That's now is a gate, so the roof is. And what color is that? Light brown. So it's dark brown, and then we're sitting on it. Oh, because scooter you can catch and go. I'm going back to the there.
Where's the farm?
We have no farm, so
How about there?
Huh?
What's that? Is that a farm? Right behind those walls? I think so. There's a cow, right?
Yeah. And there's also babies. And this is
Baby
one
cow?
baby.
Ah.
And this is the bushes. Hey,
There's
this is the bushes.
Yes.
I think there's 3 adults or 4, and then there's 1 baby. I see them at the window.
Okay.
Zeth,
Cute.
don't do that.
No.
That's bad. And I'm gonna show you how to make scooters or bike or e-bike from him. Or
Hey, Seth.
what?
Can I have an interview?
Yes, I'm gonna teach you how to ride the electric scooter.
Okay.
I'm
Go get the electric scooter.
gonna teach you electric bike. This is not a real bike. It's a fake bike. But
Hey, Seth. Can you go here? We're going to sit down first. I need to...
check me.
No?
What do you mean?
I would like to interview you. We'll have an interview here. Come here. While waiting for Ate Jada to get the scooter. Come here.
And gaganda kayo, turn on your notification bell.
No, it's not that. Some other things. Come here. Oh, not there. Keep up the grass, diba? Oh, why are you walking with that?
Why there's a chair?
Come here.
Watch out! There's a car.
That's okay. We're safe here. We're in the park. Come here.
This is not a park.
This is a park.
No.
That's for, I think, volleyball. I think it's a volleyball court. Or maybe tennis. There's a whole spit right there. Where Zeth look into it. And also the other side. Come here. Come here.
Where's Dave? And then big scooter. Let's go.
Are you tired?
Nope.
Just take a seat.
Take a seat.
Yeah, okay. So now I'm going to ask you some
Turn
questions.
on.
No, not that.
Turn
Okay, so my
on,
first question is, hi Kuya Guard. So my first question is, what is your name?
Zeth Kaylee Rebarentia.
Wow, very good. How old are you? You are? Tell us.
5.
5. Look into the camera.
5. And Jada is 9. So because me is shortest than Jade's because he's tallest.
Okay. Oh,
What?
what grade are you in?
What's that?
You're in nursery, right? Senior?
Yes, senior nursery
In?
in
What school?
Curious Owl.
Where's that? Curious Owl?
Means from to the race there.
Where? Let me see.
Super race. You can go.
Can
to
you
the,
point it? Where? Where's the main
There.
square? Okay,
And
right
you need
there.
the go-kart.
Main square mall.
You need a go-kart. And you need a car too. Because not a go-kart. It's a car. So if you need to drive in the cars and you can go there to main square, you learn in the main square with your school.
Who are your teachers in Curious Owl?
Huh?
Who are your teachers in Curious Owl?
Teacher Mads,
Okay.
Teacher Bea, and Teacher Lynn, and
Who else?
Teacher Che,
Ah, okay.
and Teacher Krishna.
Wow.
Teacher Krishna is not there, so it's not gonna tell us.
Okay. Oh, how
Oh,
about?
there's a puting pan.
Oh,
That's silver.
that's silver. Okay. How about? How many classmates do you have? How many boys and girls?
Joaquin, me, Austin, Sean, Chester, Skyra, Reese, Erica, and Ayel.
How many?
9.
Very good. All of you are 9, of course.
Erica is not there.
Oh, okay. Erica is not there. Why? Why she's not there?
Because he's in the Japan. That's so far away, and we're vlogging to go, and we're not going to the Japan. So
Can you greet Erica? Maybe she can
She
watch
can-
this video.
oh, she can.
Say hi to Erica. Hi, Erica.
Hi, Erica. I joined with you last time. This is different. Guess what day is?
Okay.
Beep. Oh, now we can go there and far away here.
Okay. So thank you for the interview today.
Yes.
So
And
we'll now move
we're
to
now
Ate
good.
Jada.
Yes.
Where's Ate Jada?
there.
Oh.
Boom.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay, Ate Jada. Okay, take it away, Ate Jade. What's that?
This is the electric scooter. So if you turn it off,
Wait a minute.
no, you can come closer. And there's this. So we can show you the buttons.
Okay.
So first you need to turn. And if it's on number 3, you can turn it to number 1. It's the slowest. If you do this, it won't go. But if you kick it,
Wait. I need to move. Let's see. Is that yours?
no.
Is
It
that
goes
yours?
to our uncle. But I use it already. So it's like a normal scooter, but you don't have. You only need to kick once because if you kick
Once or twice?
maybe once.
Once.
Because if you kick, you can just press it down so that it will go. So
How old are you?
I'm 9.
9.
I said
Okay.
earlier.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Mr. Seti.
I'm gonna tell some of you because the electric scooter can go far away there and fast.
Okay, so can you show us Ate Jade's?
Yes.
Oh, can you move there in that court?
It's like. Guys, what video do you want? Number 2?
No, just the simple one. Just the basic. Okay. That's the one. Alright. Headlight?
And if you press the plus, it will turn into 2. So it's up to 3. So I'm gonna show you number 2. It's actually 3.
Let's wait for Ate Jada. Later, it's written later. Ate Jada first. That's 2.
I know to floss, and I'm gonna teach you to floss. Just your hands move like this and like this, so you can get a million for done. It's actually twice like this, like this. I'm gonna try number 3, but I'm gonna go really slow.
No, it's okay. No need for that. Okay. So, you can play it now, Ate Jade. Oh, how about you, Seth?
And me, the sun is going lower.
No. You told us about dancing. Can you dance again?
And your hands is going like this and this, and the sun is lower and sun is not going now here.
Just dance. Come on.
And
What do you call that dance?
floss, and you need to like this in the Fortnite. I want Fortnite. Wait, can you do what's that?
The trending dance.
The
So
hype?
trending. Hype.
It's old, but it's
Okay.
people still do.
One more?
Can you do renegade?
What's that?
It's the dance. I can do 3. 1,
One more.
2. Now 3. 4. 5. This is the bell. It's actually small. How does it do? I can do 5. Now I can teach you how the sun is lower and Neptune is very heavy to carry, or sun. Sun is very heavy because sun have light or electric light because that's so lower. See, you can like a beach. There's a sun and sky goes free. Okay, guys.
Hey, Seth. So, I think it is our end of the video for today. So, what do you want to your viewers? What do you want to tell to them? Anything like? Come
I
on.
want subscribe and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. And make sure to like and also share to your friends. And subscribe. You can click the red button. Subscribe.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah.
By the way, the notification bell is the bell right beside the subscribe. You won't be able to see it unless you subscribe. So make sure to subscribe. and make sure that it's okay. It's subscribe. Okay guys, bye. Thanks for watching. Bye, thanks for watching.
Dito.